Hey losers, more stuff today. We got a busy day at the on the porch. Just people walking up and down, dropping off packages. A lot of fun. Whatever. Yummy skin blurring balm powder, face and eyes, whatever. So concentrated ginseng. Whatever. It's all a bunch of stupid crap. So we'll throw that out. And there's a bunch of cool stuff for me. Pretty good. There we go. All right. Here's the good stuff. Here's the good stuff. All right. So we got the Adabolic. We got that. I don't care about that. It's a sweat towel.
Oh, I like those.
A funnel. It's a funnel. And here's the good old creatine. Some NO7. More creatine. Oh, I got two of them. Oh, blender bottle. That was a freebie. I guess that was it. And a sample pack. Love you.